Imagine this. You simply stop eating after 8 p.m., no diets, no exhausting workouts, no counting every calorie. And within just a few days, your body starts to change. Your stomach feels less bloated, that heavy feeling before bed disappears, and you wake up feeling lighter. But here's the most interesting part: your body actually starts burning belly fat while you sleep. Sounds too simple to be true? That's exactly what most people think, and that's why they ignore it. But the truth is, sometimes when you eat matters more than what you eat. And today, you'll learn what really happens inside your body when you stop eating at night, why late night snacking almost guarantees belly fat, and why this works perfectly for some people, but not for others. And most importantly, how to make it actually work for you. Let's start with a simple question. Why is belly fat so stubborn? Why do your arms get leaner, your face gets slimmer, but your stomach stays the same? Because belly fat isn't just about extra calories, it's hormonal. And one of the key hormones here is insulin. Every time you eat, especially sugar or fast carbs, your insulin levels go up. And while insulin is high, your body is not burning fat, it's storing it. Think of it like a switch. Either you're in fat storing mode or fat burning mode. And now here's something important. During the day, you move, you're active, you burn energy. So even if insulin goes up, some of that energy gets used. But what happens at night? You sit, or lie down, or scroll on your phone. And when you eat in that state, that energy has nowhere to go. So your body does the easiest thing: it stores it, and very often, right in your belly. Now imagine a different scenario. You eat your last meal at 7 p.m., and then you don't eat anything else. 3 to 4 hours pass, and this is where something powerful begins. Your insulin levels start to drop. Your body is no longer getting energy from food, so it has to look for energy inside. And where does it find it? In your fat stores, which means while you're sleeping, your body is literally feeding on your stored fat. And yes, very often, that includes belly fat. But here's where most people mess up. They think, I'll just eat something small before bed. It's fine. A yogurt, a cookie, some fruit, something light. It feels harmless. But for your body, it's not. It's a signal. A signal that says, more energy just came in. And instantly, insulin goes up. Fat burning stops. Everything resets. Now imagine this happens every single night. You never allow your body to enter fat burning mode, not even once. And then you wonder why belly fat won't go away. This is why late night snacking is one of the most underestimated causes of belly fat. Now let's talk about what happens when you stop. The first few days might feel unusual. You might feel a bit hungry in the evening. You might walk toward the fridge out of habit. You might crave something just because you're bored. And that's normal, because it's not always real hunger. It's often habit, emotion, or the need for comfort. But if you push through those first few days, things start to change. After 2 to 3 days, your stomach feels less bloated, your digestion improves, your sleep becomes deeper. Why? Because your body is no longer busy digesting food at night. It can actually recover. After 1 to 2 weeks, you start noticing your clothes fit differently. That heavy evening feeling disappears. You have more energy in the morning. And this isn't magic. It's physiology. You simply stop interfering with what your body is naturally designed to do: burn fat. Now here's something important. Why doesn't this work for everyone? Some people say, I don't eat at night, but nothing changes. And there are a few reasons. First, overeating during the day. If you compensate with large portions earlier, there's no energy deficit. And without that, fat won't go away. Second, hidden calories, sugary coffee, juices, sauces, random snacks. They add up, and you don't even notice. Third, stress. And this is huge. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces cortisol, and cortisol is directly linked to belly fat. So you can do everything right, but if your stress is high, your body will hold on to that fat. That's why you need to look at the full picture, not just dinner. Now let's talk about How to do this the right way. First, have your last meal 3 to 4 hours before sleep. This gives your body time to digest and switch into fat burning mode. Second, make that meal filling. Add protein, meat, fish, eggs, or plant based sources, and fiber, vegetables, greens. This helps prevent evening hunger. Third, don't fool yourself with small snacks, because those are exactly what ruin the process. Fourth, if you feel like eating at night, drink water or tea. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, and very often the urge disappears because it's not hunger, it's an impulse. And now the key point: when you stop eating at night, you give your body a chance to lower insulin, a chance to activate fat burning, a chance to use stored energy. And your belly fat starts to gradually disappear. Not instantly, not overnight, but consistently. And most importantly, without extreme restrictions. So try a simple experiment. 7 days, no eating before bed. Just observe what happens. No pressure, no expectations, just a test. And there's a very high chance you'll be surprised. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe and comment the word night. And I'll make a follow-up with a full meal plan, examples, and the biggest mistakes that stop your progress.